In this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage trade in trading 2-on-2, and it's actually pretty simple. The first thing that you have to do is we click on the top left and you have to switch to the CFD account because you can't leverage trade on the invest account. Once you have done that, you click on CFD, and what you can do next is you select a coin, token, stock, whatever that you want to leverage. Let's say you want to leverage gold. Then you're going to decide if you want to sell or buy. Let's say buy. I'm going to click buy for this video. And then you see what what you put in, and here you can leverage. Let's say you want to leverage 100%. When I go on order details, I can actually see the leverage is 1 to 20, as you can see here. So we actually see how much we leverage, and then we can confirm the order and confirm buy, and that's how you actually leverage trade in trading 2-on-2. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. We see us in the next video. Bye.